Good evening. My name is Kristen Lynch, and today I will be discussing a healthcare topic that is very important to me and what I'm going into in my future, and that is clinical research. I will be referring to my notes here. Every medicine, treatment, or vaccine that you have ever received has started with a question, and that is how clinical research has officially come to life. For those of you who don't know, clinical research involves studies with human participants. It helps us understand how treatment works, how safe it is, and who it helps the most. Thanks to clinical research, we have made huge progress in treating cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and even rare genetic disorders. This ensures treatments are effective across different ages, races, and genders. It is very safe though. I know when people hear the word clinical trial, they get very scared. But participants in clinical trials are everyday people seeking to better people, options, and even healthy volunteers just wanting to contribute to science. Without volunteers, this medical progress would stop. Clinical trials follow strict safety and ethical rules. Before joining, participants are fully informed of how the trial works and the consequences involved. Clinical research is the bridge to tomorrow's medicine. It makes it more effective and more humane. Whether it's curing a rare disease or preventing the next pandemic, research is our way forward. Some data facts that I had found is mostly related to the COVID-19 pandemic, which affected all of us worldwide. The COVID-19 vaccines were actually developed and authorized in under a year, thanks to clinical research, which allowed us to have access to this, and we prevented not only the spread, but also learned how to tame it more. I do know that there is more we could do to help COVID-19, but this was a great start, and we can thank clinical research for that. Also, as of 2025, there are over 46,000 registered clinical trials worldwide. And I found this information from clinicaltrials.org, but I think it's amazing that there's 4,600,000 clinical trials worldwide, because think of all the new medicine that we will come up with just tomorrow from that. This is important because it has saved so many lives, and it'll maybe even save your life one day. You really just don't know. I think clinical research is a very important topic, and it needs to be discussed more, and more people should go into that field, and it's very important to me. But thank you. I hope this helped you learn more about clinical research.